Good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in this world. I salute you. I am Johnny Antonio Carcamo, and I just want to explain a little bit about what we do when it comes to daycare facilities. Now, as you can see here, we have one of our guys, pulling out all these toys individually from their cubbies. Now, with little kids being around, they like to touch all types of things, the walls, the floors, the tables. You get the picture. So we want to make sure to thoroughly disinfect each and every toy that is within the facility. Kids, they like to put them at their mouth, share them with other kids. We just want to make sure to get rid of that nasty COVID. We continue to go spraying. We also use electrostatic sprayers, and the reason why we use electrostatic tech is because it's much better. No, I'm just kidding. It is much better, but the reasons why we use it is because it distributes a much finer mist that is electrically charged, safe to you, don't worry. What this just means that it actually wraps around items, destroying that nasty COVID, and just keeping your items safe, of course. On top of that, we also love to use our Health Canada approved products. And the reason why we use Health Canada approved products is we want to make sure that people that walk into your business, into your facility, into your warehouse or your clinic, you get the picture, we want to make sure that they are safe, especially the little ones. Little ones like to put their hands on everything, so we want to make sure that anything we use is not harmful to them. Once again, if you want to learn more about us, you can go to www.ultimatemoldcrew.ca. And yes, we do mold too. If you want to learn more about COVID-19 and mold removals, you can check us out on YouTube for more educational videos. You know what they say, knowledge is power. Once again, thank you so much for listening, and God bless. Peace.